Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Today we are going to learn about parts of a tree and a plant. Parts of a tree and a plant. In Tigrinya, akalat omen takhlen. Akalat omen takhlen. Let's read them together. I will use an arrow to show you the particular vocabulary. Let me put this one here. Aqlti. Dab'i or crown. The entire area, this is called dab'i. All the leaves. Dab'i, crown. Chenafir, small branches or twigs. Chaleda, branch. Chaleda. This is it. Chaleda. Gundi is this one. Trunk. Gundi. Trunk. Serawur. Roots. All this area are called serawur. Root is only one, and the plural form of roots is serawur. And small branches of roots are the root hairs are called mehmene. Okay, let's go now to the plant. This is an example of plants, like a pepper plant. This is gogom, gogom, or in English, bud, gogom. Fre, or like fruit in English. And as you can see, this is a leaf. It is called ቆጽሊ. በትግርኛ ቆጽሊ. And this one is called stem in English. In Tigrinya is kancha. This area is called kancha. And as we have covered on the top, this area is called serawur. Roots. One branch is called root, and all the branches are called roots. And in Tigrinya, serawur. One is called sur, and plural form of sur is serawur. And this area, and this particular areas, like all these ones, or this area, as you can see, where the branch starts, is called birki. A node. Birki. Excellent. So let's see them now as vocabularies. Let's read them together. Tree. Anbaba. Flower. Anbabatat. Flowers. Aqwam is trees. Let me put this one here so that you can see them, because we talked about I put it here. Om is aqwam, trees. Aqwam, trees. Anbabatat. Flowers. you know ዕንበባ ዕንበባታት ዕንበባታት ተኽሊ 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 አታክልቲ 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 plants plants plant ተኽሊ አታክልቲ ቆጽሊ ቆጽሊ leaf አቁጽልቲ 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 leaves ሱር ሱር root ሰራውር roots ሱር ሰራውር 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 ብርኪ ኖድ ብርኪ ኖድ ብርኪ አብራኽ 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 nodes ቃንጫ stem ቃናጩ 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 ቃንጫ ቃናጩ stems ጉንዲ ጉንዲ trunk አጉናድ አጉናድ trunks ጫሌዳ ጫሌዳ branch ጫሌዳታት 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 branches ጨንፈር ጨንፈር twig ጨናፍር ጨናፍር twigs ደብዒ ደብዒ crown ደብዕታት 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 crowns ምህምነ ምህምነ ሄሩት ምህምነታት ምህምነታት ሄሩትስ ምህምነታት ምህምነታት ጎጎም 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 bad ጎጎማት bads ጎጎማት ጎጎማት ፍሬ ፍሬ fruits ፍረታት fruits ፍረታት ፍሬ ፍረታት fruits just let's skim the above pictures remember I'll just quickly pass them አቁጽልቲ ደብዒ ጨናፍር ጫሌዳ ጉንዲ ሰራውር ሰራውር ምህምነ ምህምነ ጫሌዳ 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 ምህምነ ምህምነ ሰራውር ጎጎም 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 ፍሬ ፍሬ ቃንጫ 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 ሰራውር 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 ብርኪ ብርኪ ቆጽሊ ቆጽሊ Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.